State versus Joseph Smith, 17-61, furnishing prohibited articles and possession of marijuana. And he also has 1735, like methamphetamine.
Judge, it appears Mr. Smith was arraigned previously and he's here for reappearance to get on your docket. I think a scheduling order might have already gone out, but yes, it has. We'd like to ask for a bond reduction today, Your Honor. Met with him last night and he can make, he believes, a $2,500 bond. He's got a brother here in Mountain Home that he could live with. We feel like that's appropriate to reassure his appearance here. The most serious charge here is the furnishing, which the allegations he had some prohibited articles while he was coming into the jail. And then besides that, it's a possession charge. There are no violent charges here or anything that would put the community at risk if he's out on bond at that amount, Your Honor.
His first arrest occurred in January the 11th of 2017 at 1:21 a.m. in the morning, and that was the possession of methamphetamine charge and the problems with his proof of insurance and violation of license. His bond was set at $2,500. He was arrested. I don't know if he made bond on that.
Joseph, did you bond on the first case at all? Have you been in jail since you were arrested?
I've been in jail since I've been arrested.
Okay.
And then on January the 23rd, I guess while he was incarcerated, Your Honor, he had some, he's alleging he had some possession, and we charged him with that, and his bond went to $5,000. Your Honor, I don't have any problem with $5,000 being sufficient for both of those cases. I can't remember what you asked for.
$2,500 for concurrent on both. Hey, see, he's a drug court candidate.
Probably is.
Judge, another thing we're going to look into is having Mr. Smith screened for the drug court program.
What's he do for a living? What are you working at? What are you working at, sir?
I don't have a job. I mean, I was working my old.
Judge, he lists an address here in Mountain Home in Baxter County at Buzzarders Cutoff. He does have an aunt and uncle that live here, and he's lived in Mountain Home since 2013.
$2,500, will stand good for that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That was what my bond was at first.
It is, yes.
That's not accurate.
But you got another charge and your bond went to $5,000, so it's basically I'm halving it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, and Joseph, someone will be over to screen you for drug court soon, okay? If you can't bond out especially, all right?
Okay.
Okay, thanks, man.
State versus Christopher Gazardi, 17-59, sexual assault, second degree. He's here for a reappearance. Is there anything to be done in this?
Judge, there is today. We might need to speak with the court and chambers about this and potentially have an actual hearing on the bond situation here. I filed yesterday a motion for a psychological evaluation or a fitness to proceed motion. That has not been ruled upon yet, so we want to make any bond arguments before an order is entered in that case pursuant to the statute. So,
We'll take it up later.
thank you, Your Honor.
We'll take your case up later, sir. You may stand aside. If you will.
I don't understand that.
Stand aside, sir. State versus Lacey Corbin, 17-53, possession of controlled substances and furnishing prohibited articles. You may approach.
Your Honor, we do not have Ms. Corbin.
Okay. Okay, they tell me she's here at the courthouse. Ms. Corbin, I'm looking at a police statement and some conditions of suspension or probation. Have you gone over these documents?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand what is in the documents?
Yes, sir.
You understand the charge against you and the range of penalties if convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to possession of a controlled substance, Adderall?
Yes.
Okay. When you plead guilty, you don't get to have a trial, nor do you get to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything other than this, what's set out in this plea statement? Has anyone threatened you, pressured you to get you to do this?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty of this crime?
Yes, sir.
Judge, this is an Act 346 plea as well.
Okay, thank you. So on or about January 19th of this year, you were in possession of some Adderall without having a prescription, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at this time, I accept your plea. Be sentenced to 5 years in the Department of Correction to be suspended on terms, conditions provided. This will be under Act 346. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee,
Okay.
public defender fees totaling $200, and a drug crime assessment of $125. Pay what you owe at the minimum rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days. Make
Yes.
your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County.
Okay. Yes, sir.